All right, everyone. We are going to do the pigeon hip key sequence. So to begin, I'm going to take my left foot into the hammock. It's a little high for me, so I'm going to rise onto my toes and I'm going to reach up, hand up, stand up. I'm going to pull my right toes to my knee. I can balance here, especially if I'm not spinning. I recommend trying this without spinning first. It's called the passe position. Now hold back on, stretch your leg out and around, and then kick the fabric out so the fabric comes behind your low back. Reach your right hand to the left pole, bend your left leg, and then reach back for the foot. From here, release the leg, invert yourself into a straddle. Remember to move slow and elegantly through your sequences. There's no need to rush. And hold your straddle, and then bend the knee over the fabric, climb yourself up to the warrior two position. You can release your arms here, or you can also take a back bend, taking your hands behind you, maybe taking the fabric to one shoulder and really leaning back, maybe even extending that leg. And then releasing, I'm going to take my hands onto both poles, and then my left leg will shoot down. And I'll bring my right hand over to the left side, left hand underneath of the left leg. Take the right leg and hip key over to the side like I have a seat belt on. Now I'm going to release the left hand and slide down, windmill the legs through the center, cross my right leg, hook the left elbow, and reach the arm out, the right arm out, and finish posing here. Okay? And that is the pigeon hip key slide sequence.